Yo, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today I will be talking about how to find stocks to trade, day trade, and so on and so on. So, if you're, oh my god, excuse me. So, if you're interested in that, let's just get straight into it. This video will not be that long at all. If you have been following my channel, you know that I give the information quick, understandable, and I will be showing and explaining everything that I feel into this filter. So let's just get straight into it. What you want to do is just go ahead and click on FINVIZ.com, go on that website. I think that a lot of people already know about that. Then I will be showing you a filter. Then go on screener and click on all. Like, that's how I like to do that. I don't want to go through the windows from the descriptive, the fundamental, and the technical. I always go with all. So the first thing that I'm overall, we're going to be filling six filters, 5 to 6, I guess. So the first thing will be the market capitalization. It basically shows you that it equals to the total dollar market like value of all of the company's outstanding shares. So the market cap, we're going to be looking for small market cap. Okay, what I mean by small, it's from 300 million to $2 billion. Okay, the great companies, they're also like not that big within the market cap. So after that, we're gonna be looking stocks that are under $10. Bam, stocks that are under $10. After that, I'm gonna be looking for the average volume. Okay, um, and as you can see, the number has been cut down dramatically. We only have 639 stocks. But first, like, let's just go with the industry that we're only gonna be looking for stocks. And as you can see, the number 597. After that, as I said, average volume. What does the average volume mean? It basically tells you the average number of shares traded back and forth that day. Uh, I mean, in a stock per day. So what do we want for the average volume to be? We want stocks that are quite liquid, and we want stocks that have over like 300k volume that you can basically kind of trade, as I said, that are liquid, and you can basically see some chart patterns that can signal you if this stock is a buy or sell. You feel me? Because this filter is for day trading. After that, we're gonna be like looking at the relative volume. What does the relative volume mean? So, like, if you don't know what R vol means or relative volume, it basically shows you that it's like relative volume. You can like often see it, or you can basically it can basically get called R-vol. It's an indicator that tells traders how current trading volume is compared to the past trading volume over a given period. In this case, uh, like we want it to be over, okay, over 1.5, not under, but over. This is the L, so over 1.5. You can basically show as again. It shows us uh, tells us like it tells the traders how the current trading volume it basically for the volume is compared to the past trading volume over a given period. So we want the current volume to be bigger, so we kind of the quite volatile stocks to be bigger by 1.5 than the last time. It basically, if it's bigger than 1.5, it basically kind of shows you that there's something going on into the markets that is not quite normal. So I sometimes that's why I don't want to go with these kinds of high numbers. But yeah, and the last thing will be the float. We want float to be the float. What does the float mean? I will be just explaining you guys what the float means. The term float refers to the regular shares a company has issued to the public that are available for investors to trade. So basically, shares that are available to be traded by the retail investors. So we want the float to be. I mean, I sometimes go with over 50 million, under like 50 million, but some I like right now we'll go with under 20 million. And as you can see, we only have one stock, and it is next. Okay, if you want to see more stocks from the chart, you can go ahead. Let me just go on charts right here. You can just go ahead and kind of screenshot this right now. As you can see, and it is kind of breaking out, so this could be absolutely killer. It is breaking out of the channel. So go ahead, kind of maybe take advantage of this, because this does look good. Next, Nasdaq Corporation, also a U.S. company in the oil and gas exploitation and production field. So go ahead, kind of take a look at that stock, and also like screenshot this if you want to find more stocks. Just maybe use the relative volume. As you can see right now, we have 4 potential buys or sells that you can basically day trade We can go over 1.25. No, actually not. But yeah, not that, bro. Go ahead, screenshot this, guys. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye.